Beautiful skin is the prerequisite to a healthy body. Maintaining that glow and youthfulness is what everyone desires. At Indradhanu Farms, we believe in taking care of the skin from within. Tapping into nature's immense potential made way to a facial treatment like no other. A facial kit comprising of 4 key products. Cleansing milk. Panchgavya cleansing milk seamlessly removes dirt and oil from your pores. Massage in circular motion all over face for maximum impact. Utne. A bath scrub in the form of Snan Utne is a blend of elite herbs, cow dung and khas. Daily use would ensure properly nourished and odor-free skin. Panchgavya cream, an extract of gomutra, the sure way to keep the toxins away. Panchgavya cream not only revitalizes but also keeps the skin soft and supple. Face mask. Panchgavya face mask hydrates the skin, removes excess oils, while providing an even skin tone.
I regularly face a lot of problems with my skin being dry and patchy, specifically during winters. I think these products that I applied today really helped me a lot. It gave me a sort of smoothness and a refreshing, cool feel, and I really would recommend each one of you to apply and use these products by Indradhanu Farms. Thank you.
Facial Kit by Indradhanu Farms.